Hey, where's the newspaper?
Well, when we left Big Bird, he and the kids were over there printing it with crayon.
Yeah,
Crayon.
Yeah, they're
Yes,
very busy.
weren't they, Bob?
Yep.
Here he is.
Read all about it. Read the Daily Bird. Read our newspaper, Sesame Street's own paper.
Big Bird, where's the paper?
Oh, well, the printers have it.
The who?
Well, the kids are printing it. I think they're all done now. They got it right over here. You want to see it?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, it turned out good.
Yeah.
It turned out good, kids.
That's really something. The Daily Bird.
Yeah.
Wow.
All the news kids can print.
Hey, that's
Right.
terrific.
Now let's go to the news.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Bob buys new shirt. Oh, I didn't know you bought a new shirt.
That's our lead item.
Today, Bob bought a new shirt. It is red
Right.
and has 17 buttons and 2 sleeves.
Yeah, right.
And is made of wool.
Right, right.
Bob, I really didn't know that.
Yeah, it's all red.
See?
See, it's
Look.
all the buttons, wool.
David, that's why we have newspapers. They keep the people informed.
Yeah,
Wait
right.
a minute. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this. Meet Mr. Snuffleupagus. If you do not believe Mr. Snuffleupagus is real, look at this picture. What
Yeah.
is this picture, Big Bird? It's a piece of fur and your feathers.
Well, it's an extreme close-up. See?
Oh,
But
Yeah,
now you believe, don't you?
Yeah, it makes sense to me.
Hey, here's another picture down here. Doesn't look like much of anything. In fact, I'm not sure what it is. It says, Amazing Mumford Disappears.
Yeah, the picture was taken after he disappeared.
Oh, after he disappeared. I see. It says, while doing a subtraction trick today, the amazing Mumford disappeared, as you can see by this picture.
Right.
Wow, that's terrific.
He was standing right in front of me. Then he's gone.
I see. So that's
Wonderful.
the smoke.
We got him after he left.
Right, wonderful.
Wait a minute. Here's my friend over here. The count counts to 12. There he is. There's the 12.
Yeah.
Right.
Good.
Yeah, I took that picture.
Yeah,
Yes, I
Telly's our
did.
cameraman.
Good
Telly.
picture, Telly.
Good.
Thank you.
Terrific. Yeah, good.
So,
Wonderful.
Oh, that's nice.
well,
Nice.
did we do it? Did we come out with a newspaper or what?
You really did. You know, you should be very proud of yourself, Big Bird.
Oh, I am very proud. How about you, Telly? Are you proud?
Oh, I'm proud as a pumpkin.
Hey, how about you, kids? Jesse, everybody?
Oh.
We had a good time. But now, David,
Yeah?
it's time for you to put it on your newsstand with all the other newspapers.
You want me?
Yeah,
You want me to put it on the news?
Sure.
Sure.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay,
That's
I'll,
a good
I'll
idea.
do- I'll put it on.
You should put that on.
No,
That's a
you
good
go
idea.
Yeah,
in.
sure.
You put that on.
Well, you
Yeah.
see, because, you know.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hey,
Hey,
that
that looks good.
Doesn't it look good?
That looks very nice there. Terrific.
Yeah.
That's one good looking.
Okay, I'll advertise it. Extra, extra, read the Daily Bird. Now, who wants to buy one?
I'll buy one, Big Bird.
Yeah, and I'll buy one too, Big Bird.
You want one, too?
Yeah, oh, okay, okay. I'll buy one.
Oh, you mean I was supposed to make more than one?
Oh, well, that's okay.
Well, that's
we
that's
can all kind
sure
of.
we can share.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters E and F and by the number 12. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop, Wextra.